Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about 3 things you must do if you don't have your first social media marketing client in 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to lock your seatbelt in. I'm going to give you guys the shimmy on what you should be doing if you don't have your first client, okay? Clients are everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a matter of what are you doing to get the clients, okay? A lot of you guys are struggling right now. You've been watching YouTube videos. You perhaps purchased courses. You've dibbled and dabbled in the past. You're like, Maurice, I still don't have my first client. Can you help? Can you show me things I need to do? What am I doing wrong? Why can't I get my first $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month client? Well, today's your lucky day. Watch this video 15 times, ladies and gentlemen. Watch it 100 times because I'm just going to give you the 3 main reasons or the 3 things you got to do if you want to change and have your client by Friday, okay? I'm going to show you guys and give you guys some tips, some things you got to do if you're struggling to get clients, okay? Number 1, get help, okay? You have to get help. If the house is on fire, pick the phone up and call 911. Okay? Stop trying to put the fire out with a water hose, ladies and gentlemen. Gang, you need to get someone who knows what they're doing to help you get out of whatever situation you're in. In this case, you need clients. So what I'm going to do is recommend, ladies and gentlemen, get help. Hire a coach, buy a course, do a one-on-one strategy call. Figure out what the problem is, okay? When you get sick, you go to the doctor, okay? When you get sick, you go to a professional. When you need help, if you've been doing something over and over, if you've been taking over the counter medicine and the wound isn't getting well, ladies and gentlemen, before you get gangrene, you go to the doctor, you go seek help. If you've been in SMMA for longer than 3 months, and I mean not just in SMMA, but you've been making cold calls, you've been doing the Looms, the Zooms, and trying to set up funnels, you've purchased hundreds of dollars worth of courses, and you still have 0 clients, folks, it's time for you to click the link in the description and get help. It may not be from me, whatever guru you like, seek them out, get your credit card out, and pay for the results that you want in life. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no such thing as something for nothing, okay? I had a similar situation a few weeks ago where I had to reach out and seek help, okay? Remember, ask for help, not because you're weak, because you want to remain strong. Let me say that again. The reason why we ask for help is not because we're weak, it's because we want to remain strong. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no reason you should be struggling to get clients. There's hundreds of people out there that have made hundreds of thousands of dollars, including myself, who knows how to get clients. And it just baffles me how many new people are out there. They're not willing to sacrifice and to raise their hand and say, hey, Maurice, hey, whoever guru, is it any way we can get together and do a strategy call? How much is coaching? Whatever I need to do, I'll finance it. But I'm sick and tired of this. I want to make money. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know LeBron James and all Tiger Woods and all the professionals have a coach? Okay? And they make millions of dollars. If a professional needs a coach, what makes you think you don't? Okay? There's no reason, ladies and gentlemen, for you not to have clients. And the fastest way, the reason why I got this number 1, the fastest way to get a solution to not getting a client is to go hire a coach who knows how to get clients, who knows, or buy their course. I have a course out that shows you how to get your first client in your first 7 days. And most people haven't purchased the course. They're just out here in la-la land, no client land, without clients because they don't want to get the remedy to solve their problem of not getting clients. The answers are there, gang. You just have to seek them out. You just have to sacrifice and pay. You're going to pay either with time of money. Most of you guys been in SMMA 6, 7, 8 months and still don't have a client. Think about that. When you could have traded $1,000 and already be making $10,000 a month instead of wasting all this time. See, time is your greatest commodity, gang. You don't want to waste time. You can waste and lose money, but time, ladies and gentlemen, you never get back, okay? So you guys got to stop playing. If you don't have clients, you've been trying this for a long time, you're pulling your hair out and you're like, Maurice, you're right. I've been doing this a long time. Get help, okay? Don't lay in the muck and the mud, okay? I'm here to reach my hand down and pull you guys out, okay? Whatever it is, if you need a one-on-one coaching, get it. If you need to purchase a course, get it. And if you need a strategy call, maybe you just need to connect with a mentor for about an hour so they can point you in the right direction, do it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's worth it, okay? It's worth it. So get help. This is the fastest way to get your first client is to get mentorship. Okay, number 2, do more prospecting. This is a huge one, okay? Too many of you guys are literally not doing enough prospecting. You're making 2 or 3 cold calls, okay? You're sending out a few cold emails. You're sending out a few Looms and Zooms, and you're not getting results, and you're wondering why you're not getting clients. Ladies and gentlemen, the more seeds that you plant, the bigger the harvest is going to be, okay? Remember, we're in sales, okay? Sales is a numbers game, all right? And in order for you to get your first client as a new person, okay, you're new to cold calling, you're new to prospecting, you're new to Looms and Zooms and setting up funnels and all the other strategies, send out cold emails, all the stuff that you can do to get clients, you have to do a lot, okay? You may have to talk to 200 people to get your first 2 to 3 clients, okay? But just think about this. Most people prospect for literally a couple minutes. They talk to a couple of clients and they don't get any results and they wonder why. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to massage the numbers. It's a numbers game. You may have to talk to a lot of people to get your first client, and that's okay, okay? You just keep moving, but you got to do more prospecting. Set aside a minimum of 1 to 2 hours a day, and you do it Monday through Saturday, okay? You go beast mode. Most of you guys just aren't cut out for SMMA. This is not for the faint of heart, ladies and gentlemen. You want to make $10,000 a month and you only want to prospect for an hour the whole week? Gang, you are selling yourself a false dream. When I was working that warehouse job and I wanted to fire it and you know, become my own boss, I knew it was going to take a lot of effort, sweat equity, pain, and money. And I was willing to do it. I was willing to sacrifice a little to get a lot. And I knew that if I took 90 days, most of you guys need about 90 days to really create a new reality for your life. Just 90 days of 100% effort and focus. Some of you guys' focus is just broken and you can't stay focused for a week. And then you're doing something else. Then you're buying this course. No, focus on prospecting. Your number one goal, okay, as a newbie, as a person fresh in SMMA, ladies and gentlemen, is prospecting, okay? Don't get it out of order. Prospecting, and more prospecting. And the more prospecting you do, the better you get, gang, okay? So you got to massage the numbers big. You got to go 20x, okay? If you think that it's going to take 10 people, you go 20 people, okay? Go 20 times what you think it may be. So if you think it's going to take you 5, you go 10, okay? You go 20, you go 30, go beast mode until you get the results that you want. I see so many people fall short of this because they're just not putting enough effort. Get your effort up higher, gang, and you'll get clients, okay? So number 2, you got to do more prospecting. Can't do prospecting one day out of the week and expect to get clients. It's a consistent flow. You got to create more momentum. Let me do that again. More momentum. And this is the doozy. Number 3, mindset. You got to work on yourself, okay? You got to become a different person if you want different results, gang. Your mind has to be right. A lot of you guys' mind is just so low. Your ambitions, okay? You don't believe in yourself. You have procrastination, anxiety problems, limiting beliefs. You're like, Maurice, I just don't believe no one would pay me $2,000 a month. And that's your biggest problem. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're losing in the mind, you can never win in reality, okay? In the physical realm, where we're at right now, which you can see, feel, and touch, okay? So the first thing I got to do, ladies and gentlemen, is I got to get you to work on yourself, okay? I need you to grab books. I got books everywhere. I'm just going to grab a book. You know, these are books. You should be reading a minimum of 2 hours a day. I got all type of books around here, okay? The power of your subconscious mind. You know, how to win friends and influence people. Some of you guys need to read the Bible, okay? Because your mind is just messed up. And you cannot be successful with a jacked up mindset. What do I mean? A lot of you guys speak things, I can't afford it. I can't do what Maurice does. I'm not cut out. I don't have a college degree, and I wasn't born. All that stuff is limiting belief, anxiety. Maurice, before I pick up the phone, I just get anxious and start sweating. Ladies and gentlemen, that's fear. False evidence appearing real. And in order for you to break that mess, okay, because you guys have mental music that's being played in your mind that's telling you not to do the things that's going to make you rich. Okay, that's your mindset. That's the mind that you got to work on. So you need to be reading a minimum of 2 hours a day. Okay, and you should be listening to something positive like Les Brown, Jim Rohn, Maurice. You should be listening to this stuff every day to break that mess that's being played in your mind that you can't afford it because you can, that you can't do it, but you can. You can have as many clients as you want. You just got to stop being lazy. Get over your fear. The way you get over fear is to take massive action. Let me say that again, gang. How do you get rid of fear? You take action. Inaction allows fear to dominate your life. Procrastination. A lot of you guys been procrastinating on buying courses and getting coaching and prospecting for months. And it's time out, ladies and gentlemen. This business is simple. It's not easy. It's simple. All you got to do is carve out 1 to 2 hours a day. Get good at the phone. How do you get good at the phone? Click the link in the description. Grab the ICP course and you study it. I show you everything you need to know about prospecting, how to close. You can listen to my closes. Everything's there. I got it free on the YouTube channel. If you don't want to pay for it, everything's there. But what the problem is your mind. And you need a coach. You need the course so that we can go deep inside your mind and get rid of all of that mess that's got 98% of the people locked into poverty, brokenness, and no results and no clients. This video is serious, gang. And I want you guys to be successful. And the only way you're going to be successful is through your mind first. You can't make a bunch of money out here if you're broke up here, gang. And so many of you guys are broke mentally. You're broke physically. Okay? In order for you to in order for your money to get better, gang, you have to get better. So we got to work on you guys. The person you are now is not going to be the person 90 days from now that's making 10 G's a month. If your mindset is at $5, ladies and gentlemen, you'll never make $50. So my goal in this video is to show you guys what you need to do to get to $50 an hour or $1,000 an hour. And the only way that happens is through mindset. How does a person become a doctor? They got to go to school for 10, 15 years. They got to work on their mind and get new information, and then they get the $300,000 a year, $100,000 a year. And it's the same thing with you. Until you work on your mind, ladies and gentlemen, you'll be the same person you are 5 years from now unless you change mentally. How did I go from making $10 an hour to making 100 G's in less than 90 days in SMMA, gang? Mindset. I changed. And so, folks, if you want to change your money, change your mind. You change your mind, you change your life. Simple. This is a big one, okay? Watch this video 100 times. I hope it's been of immense value. If you like it, comment below. It's time for you guys to get serious. Hit the thumbs up. We should have a lot of people to hit the thumbs up on this video. I spit out fire. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do. You're just gonna get pure fire every time you watch my videos. I'm trying to cut that lack and procrastination and fear that's holding 98% of you guys back. It's time out for playing, gang. Get serious about life. Invest in yourself. Get the course. Hire a coach. Yes, it costs a lot of money, but guess what? It's gonna make you a lot of money, right? You want a lot of money? You gotta invest a lot of money. Stop trying to get something from nothing. A lot of you guys want to invest 20 bucks, but yet you want to make $10,000 to $20,000. That just doesn't make sense. If you were having heart surgery and the doctor said it's only going to cost you 100 bucks, would you want that guy to operate on you? Probably not, because he's cheating you. Okay, you expect to pay a lot because this guy's gonna go in and cut your heart. Ladies and gentlemen, if you were having brain surgery, would you want the cheapest brain surgeon? No. So why would you want cheap information in your mind? That's why coaching costs so much. That's why courses cost much, because you're gonna get a lot of value out of them. Okay, so keep that in mind. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.